Hi, you're watching Satya Smart Life. Please subscribe. In this video, let us see how to make vegetable quinoa in instant pot. Quinoa is very healthy food for weight loss, for fighting diabetes, and several health benefits. First, we have to take 2 cups of quinoa and 1 by 4th cup of moong dal in a bowl. We have to wash it 5 to 6 times by squeezing till the water is clear. After washing, quinoa will be clean like this. Now let us open the instant pot. We have to wash the inner side of the lid with water and keep it aside. We have to clean the steel cooking pot also and wipe it. There should not be any water drops inside or outside the cooking pot. Now switch on the power and select saute mode. We have to press the plus button and adjust the timing to 30 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of oil in the cooking pot. Add 10 to 12 black peppers, 4 cloves and fry them. Add 4 green chilli pieces. Fry it for some time. And 1 onion pieces. Fry it well. Now add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste and add 1 by 4th cup of coriander and mint leaves. Add half cup of any capsicum pieces. Here I am using yellow and red color capsicum. Add 1 cup of tomato pieces and fry them for 1 minute. Add 2 cups of mixed vegetable pieces and mix it well. Now add quinoa and moong dal and salt to taste. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. Now add 6 cups of water, 4 cups of water for 2 cups of quinoa, 2 cups of water for 2 cups of vegetables, total 6 cups. Place the lid in position and lock it. Cancel the saute mode. Select the pressure cook mode and adjust the timing to 6 minutes. Now the float valve is in down position. Once the pressure is built up in the cooker, the float valve will be in up position and the countdown will start for 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, the time will show 0 minutes and the cooker will switch over to keep warm mode. Now select cancel and switch off the power. Now there is pressure inside the cooker and the float valve is still in up position only. After 10 to 12 minutes, the pressure inside the cooker will drop and the float wall will also drop to down position. Now we can open the lid and see. Wow, the quinoa is totally cooked. As quinoa is uniformly cooked with all the ingredients, the taste will also be very nice. You can definitely try this and enjoy. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.